Office Phrase of the Day from ToomeyBusinessEnglish.com. Welcome to Toomey Business English. If you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. In this business English lesson, you are going to learn the office phrase flogging a dead horse. Let's say it again. Flogging a dead horse. Now, let's do an activity. I want you to guess the meaning of flogging a dead horse from the picture and sentence on the next slide. Let's go. She keeps trying to get her book published, but I think she's flogging a dead horse. So, guess the meaning. You have 5 seconds from now. Flogging a dead horse. In business, what does it mean? It means to waste energy on something that has no chance of succeeding, or waste energy on a lost cause. And here's another example of the phrase flogging a dead horse in a sentence. He's flogging a dead horse if he thinks he can successfully sell millions of copies of his new course. And another example. The company is making a considerable loss. There's no use trying to keep it afloat any longer. We'd be flogging a dead horse. And a final example. You are flogging a dead horse, trying to persuade him to join our company. He's happy where he is. Okay, now it's your turn. Here's an activity for you. Use the office phrase flogging a dead horse to make a sentence. You can answer in the comments section below the video and I'll take a look. If you like this video, you can get 300 workplace phrases at ToomeyBusinessEnglish.com free guide. To learn more workplace English, get the Master 100 Key Office Phrases course available at ToomeyBusinessEnglish.com courses. It has more than 7 hours of video content with worksheets and activities.